UNIVERGE Blue Space Management provides two interfaces for booking conference rooms, via the New Booking button at the bottom right corner of every page, and via the Explore page to visually locate and book a conference room at a selected office and floor. Once booked, Space Management's two-way integration with Microsoft Outlook's calendar provides a familiar interface for editing or canceling a scheduled event, as well as the issuance of notification emails to your specified attendees. Note that booked conference rooms can be reviewed or deleted within Space Management without accessing Outlook's calendar. The first method of booking a conference room with UNIVERGE Blue Space Management takes advantage of the New Booking button, which can be found on every page. Selecting Conference Room from the pop-up menu, we're taken to the conference room's grid, where across the top of the grid we see, below the date, the conference rooms that are available for selection. Vertically, we see different time slots that can be selected to indicate a starting time for a new booking. Bookings that you have made personally will be displayed in blue. Bookings that others have made for a given time slot at a given room will be displayed in a salmon color, not showing the title of the meeting. Clicking Create New, we can open a drop list where we can manually select one of the available conference rooms and proceed with making a booking. In this example, we're going to click Close and instead navigate to the intersection of the desired conference room at the desired start time. Here we have selected for December 8th, conference room N2.111 at 2 p.m. This is simply the starting time of the booking. Note that all the fields on this dialog are required except for participants. Here I'm selecting a duration of 1 hour instead of the default 30 minutes. Given that participants is not required, you can simply indicate a total number of participants by overtyping the value at right. Here I'm actually specifying attendees for whom I want notifications to be sent by Outlook. I'm specifying a required meeting title here and then clicking Book Now to actually book the conference room and set up the meeting in Outlook. A confirmation message is displayed, and if we scroll down, we can now see a 1 hour block of time for that booking on the grid. Here I've opened an email received from Outlook confirming the booking. Take note that the attendees will have also received similar emails. Closing that email and opening the calendar within Outlook, I can see the new meeting that I've booked at 2 p.m. on this date. Using Outlook, I'm able to open and edit the meeting the same as I would if I had booked the meeting directly through Outlook. Going to the home page of UNIVERGE Blue Space Management, all upcoming meetings are shown in chronologically ascending order, and the new meeting for 2 p.m. can be seen with details available by hovering over the meeting. Having used Outlook instead of Space Management to delete the meeting that was just created, refreshing the home page of Space Management shows that the 2 p.m. meeting is no longer displayed. Evidence that changes made in Outlook are communicated to Space Management. Selecting New Booking and Conference again, we can also see that 2 p.m. meeting on December 8th for that room is no longer listed. Now let's use the Explore page to book a conference room. As with booking a seat with Explore, we select an office, then a floor. And zooming in on that floor, we can select a conference room. Here we see an info spot that can be clicked, much like selecting a seat, to open the dialog for booking. As with using Explore for seats, the default start time is the current time. Here we're changing it to a different time, as desired, 2 p.m., and clicking OK. Once again, we can specify the duration. The only field that is not required is participants, But again, I have selected participants and specified the required meeting title. A confirmation message is displayed. A few moments later, I have opened an email from Outlook confirming that the meeting request has been accepted. Attendees will have received emails as well. Going back into New Booking Conferences, we can see the meeting that was just created using Explore. And going back to the home page, that newly created meeting is now visible under Upcoming Meetings. Lastly, all upcoming meetings on the home page include a check-in button and a view button. The view button allows us to see the attendees who were scheduled as well as the conference room. Clicking delete, we can cancel the meeting without using Outlook. Having done so, we have to refresh the home page to see evidence of the meeting having been deleted here. We can also go into New Bookings conference rooms and see that the meeting has been removed. We no longer have a meeting at 3 p.m. Also, in the calendar, we can see the 3 p.m. meeting is no longer shown. In summary, space management allows us to book conference rooms, optionally specifying attendees. We can view the details of upcoming meetings. We can check into those meetings, and we can delete those meetings, all using space management. Details of a meeting can be edited in Outlook.